In this video, we'll talk about prime factorization. This will be a fairly short video. It's just a quick refresher or an intro into how to take prime factors. So let's jump right in with an example. So the whole idea of prime factorization is I'm trying to break 144 down into prime numbers, which, if you recall, a prime number is a number that's divisible by 1 and itself only. So I'm going to ask myself, okay, what two numbers go into 144? And I'm going to make what they call a factor tree. So in this case, I know 144 is 12 times 12. That's just one possibility. And then I'm going to look at, okay, 12. What numbers go into 12? 3 and 4. Hey, 3 is prime, so I'm going to circle it. That one's done. I can't break that up anymore. 4 can be broken down into 2 and 2, and those are both prime. I'm going to circle those and stop there. Now I'm going to pretty much do the same thing with this other 12. So 3 is prime, the 4 is not. 2's are both prime. I'm going to circle them. So a way that we can write this is say that 144 is 3 times 3, there's my two 3's, times 2 times 2, there's two 2's, times 2 times 2. Or we can use powers. 3 squared times 2 to the 4th. Now you might be asking yourself, why would we ever use this? Well, a couple of reasons. One, this can be very useful for finding greatest common factors, least common multiples. We can really break it down to its prime elements. And the second reason is if we're trying to find a square root, sometimes we can break it down into factors, or even higher roots. If we're talking cube roots or fourth roots, fifth roots, we can use this factorization to help us. So let's do another one. Let's look at 72. So 72, right off the bat, I'm thinking, oh, 9 times 8. So I'm just going to write that down. Now, you don't have to necessarily pick 9 and 8. The beauty of this is that, okay, if you saw 2 and 36, you could run down with those, and you'll get to the same set of factors. So I'm going to look at 9. 9's not prime. What goes into 9? Well, 3, 3. Both those are prime. Sweet. I'm going to circle them. Okay? 8 is divisible by 4 and 2. 2 is prime. 4 is not. I'm going to keep going with 4. What goes into 4? 2 and 2. Circle those. So 72 can be written as 3 squared times 2 cubed. And it's just another way of writing 72, and maybe this way, if I'm comparing it to another number, I can pick out common factors.